going to set up the hydro station right now. Take the bucket out of the bin. And there's a wooden block in the bin. This will go right here on the floor, right above the hole. We'll take a generator and put the end that is opposite the wiring into this hole. Then we'll grab the paddle and secure it on the inside of the bin to catch the water. Grab the hose and secure this to this nozzle. I'm gonna have my assistant do that for me. All right, before I put the water in the bucket, I will hook up the voltmeter. Get 2 alligator lead clips. One thing that I would recommend is putting the voltmeter in a plastic baggie. This will prevent any damage, water damage to the voltmeter. I'll add some water to the bucket. And we have some water in the bucket, and we're ready to go. I'm going to start some water flowing through the valve and spin the impeller. One of the variables that we're going to be measuring here is the height of the water in relationship to the electricity produced by the generator. And so we want to measure it from the constant, which is the floor, to the height of the water. So this is a little tricky because you have to feel the water inside and then kind of estimate where that is on the outside. So where the water level is on my fingertips is about 110 centimeters. Now we're gonna raise the actual bucket to change that water level. And you can use one of these bins to do that. And you might have used some water so that water level in the bucket might have changed. And so again, just use your fingertips to feel. I have now 136 centimeters from the height of the water in the bucket. One of the key variables in this experiment is where the hose end is in relationship to the impeller. And so in a middle school level, you might want to be in control of this. If it's a high school level and your students are capable, I think that just to point that out to your students.